Hello guys, this is my house where I'm staying in Cape Town. I'll give you my house tour. I'm staying in this one 11, unit 11, and you can see this stairs. This is the unit 104 where I'm staying in Sandown, Capetown. So now I'll open this my flat, and this is the gallery hall. You can see how the house is designed in South Africa, Cape Town. This is false ceiling. Here you can see the TV. This is sofa. So very important thing that I would like to show here is the kitchen. See how it is designed. Here dishwasher. The most important thing is this one. If you will see this kitchen, it is just standing. So I got tour of kitchen. Now I'll give you tour of the washroom. And this is the first bedroom. Now I'm going to the second bedroom. Here you will not get fan in Cape Town. You will get just table fan. Here weather is very cool. This is the windows. We can open like this, and there you can see on this side. I'll go into balcony and I'll show you. Here is my laptop. Let me go to this one, this first bedroom, and show you the view from windows. Some work, cleaning work is going on here. Down. That's why they are putting all this thing. let me go to the balcony. So this is huge balcony. You can see how weather is in Cape Town. It's mesmerizing. Here is the checkers. It's just like in India we see smart points, D-marts. So similarly we can get our daily stuff, everything here. And if you will see, let me little bit zoom. That is the food lovers. There also you can shopping for daily uses stuffs. And the very important heart of Cape Town, I can say. Everything of Cape Town, but it is not visible today. There is the Table Mountain. But due to sky, I can't show you. But you can see sky how beautiful it is. Guys, here most important, if you have to cross the road, there is a mark, and from there only you have to cross. And if you are crossing by walking, the car will stop and they allow you to pass first. That is very like nice things I found in a Cape Town. And one more thing that I would like to highlight here, that is, this is the balcony, right? In India, people used to soak their clothes inside on this wall only. Okay, but in here Cape Town, if you will do like this, you have to pay 500 rand for this. So that is very important. We can't put our clothes here outside. It must be inside. I'll show you where we are putting. After washing our clothes. That is Table View Mountain. But it's due to cloudy, I can't show you properly. So here we have option to put our clothes for soaking. That was the small tour, guys. I'll keep uploading like videos. You can watch and encourage me.